Today, I'm going to be showing you a quick video on how I roll forward my covered call that I sold about 10 days ago. In my previous video, I shared with you that I sold about 5 contracts where I generated about $3,800. And previously, I sold another 5 contracts where I generated about $1,750. So today, which is about 10 days from when I sold the previous one, I'm going to be rolling that forward to get another premium. I've already sold 4 contracts and I'm going to be selling one. So the one that I'm going to be selling is what I'm going to be showing you now. In total, it's about 5 contracts. I'm going to be rolling forward one of the contracts, and I'm going to be selling one now, and I'm going to walk you through the process of how I'm going to roll forward this one. On average, this is going to generate me another $4,000, okay? So let me show you how to do that. The market is about to close, so I want to quickly do this, okay? So let's jump in. As I shared before, this was a previous one that I sold less than 10 days ago, where I sold a covered call on Tesla for $320 for March 410. So as of this recording, this is just 3 days to expiration. So I'm going to be rolling this forward. You can see that the decay on this is already gone far, meaning that something that I was paid $562 per share, now it's only worth about 5 cents. So I'm going to be rolling this forward and get another premium. And the simple way for me to do this, I'm just going to be buying back the same contract that I'm going to get into a new one. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on buy. Then I'm going to be using a diagonal call on this. Again, I'm going to be buying back the same contracts. I'm buying back the same contract that I sold earlier for March 14 at the strike price of $320. And when I'm getting into a brand new contract, it means that I'm going to be selling into a new contract. So I'm doing that for March 28, 2025 at strike price of $250. So I'm going to refresh this. And I'm going to put a price of 9.85 so that this gets filled immediately. Send order. So again, I'm buying to close and I'm going to be selling to open and I'm going to be getting 9.85 for this. Okay. Send contract. So the order has been filled already. It's been filled already. And literally, I just generated about $945. Literally just rolling this forward. So now if I just come back under my balance and I click on the start. If I click on the start of the day, I had about $772 American. And now after selling the contract is now about $1,755. So that means that I generated almost $1,000 just selling this covered call. And this again is just for one of the contracts, and I have about 5 of this. So again, that is just a simple way on how I generate extra income in the market using the same underlying stock that I already own. But I'm just sharing with you my own personal investment strategy. This is just a simple way to just generate money in the market passively. Before we wrap up this conversation today, if you like to have a one-on-one conversation or you want me to take a look at your portfolio, go on my website, book a free 30-minute session, and we can look at it together. Despite the volatility in the market, I'm just using the cover call strategy to generate extra cash flow in the market while still holding the underlying asset. Again, cover call strategy works provided you still want to at least own the underlying asset. And as I've said in my previous video, I'm going to link that here. And this is where I explained to you when I initially got into this very contract. If you're still very new into covered call strategy, I would recommend that you check that out first because I explained the concept of covered call. And after that, I then showed you a sample portfolio. But again, if you have any question, let me know in the comment area below. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to share this with your friends and family. Until then, I'm Blooming Tomorrow, your trusted money coach. I teach you how to make your money work for you. May the market be in your favor.